Hello there, you guys. It is me again. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. No. Oh no, I'm getting in the water. Okay, I'm just gonna stay here until it's day and he burns. Oh, he burns good. I want him well done. No! I want him well done. Okay. 1 heart. Come on. Is he dying? Please tell me he gives me that low. Yes. You guys probably hate the beginning right now. Nope. Oh. Yes. Is that only 1 arrow? 2. Hey, the tree grew. You know what? I'm just gonna do it anyways. If it starts turning dark soon, and out of nowhere there's some like skeleton, I'm dead. Like right away. You guys probably hate this. You guys probably hate me explaining what's gonna happen, even though you know what's gonna happen. So sorry about that. I'm just not a good commentator. Never mind. I can probably be a good commentator. Okay. I'll let the rest do it for itself. Girl. Why do I still have F3 on? Yeah. I can't die from the lava no more. Because it's blocked off. And saved my melon from the skeleton. Yeah. That's gonna be a melon. No. That is the air. No. Hey, more saplings. Hurry up, melons. I need to get more of you going. I'm gonna get a stack and then build down. Yeah, I'll just finish off this pickaxe. You guys must hate just me mining. You're probably like, where's all the building? Well, guess what, viewers? It's gonna come once this pickaxe breaks. So if you want to skip to that part, skip to it. Yeah. I only... Hey, it broke. Oh. That wasn't that smart. Okay, I'm at 200. I can do this. Come on, sapling. Sapling. Apple. I'm trying to sleep though. Some pop-up ad just came up, and if I fell off the edge after I mined all that cobble. No! Stop! No! Yes! No, stop! People don't like fires. Okay, okay. Okay, I'm just tired of this. Bye bye. Yeah. Why can't I get on a oh. What? Who else knew about that? Who knew that that was happening? If you know, you're smart. I wanna build off that way. One, two, three, four. Two, three. I'll just fall. It's easier than climbing. More cobblestone. No. What the heck? I don't even know. No, 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 no. No. Okay, I'm not good with water. Okay, I should make ladders. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Is 6 ladders good enough? No! That was so stupid of me. Okay, now I know to bring a cobblestone.